My name's Toyne. I'm doing the Bachelor of Design and Arts at UCOL. I'm majoring in visual arts and my focus is glass. UCOL end of year graduation exhibition coming up. I'm really excited for it. I've been posting a lot of my work on my social media and I've got a lot of friends who are really excited about it, really excited to see it in person. Yeah, it's all about losing myself in the digital. So how much value I place on my phone, how much it makes up my identity, how finding that balance between connecting to people by using them and not losing ourselves in them. I have found in doing that, it's quite ironic because I'm posting my work a lot and so I'm spending more time on my phone while art is my real passion and focus and I want to spread awareness of that and share that with people. I'm struggling not to lose myself in doing that and just come back to the enjoyment of doing the art for itself. The work that I've been doing is 3D printing, some cast glass work, some screen printed glass work, some ceramic work. I created a lot of small pieces that I'm going to piece together. I'm excited to see how it all comes together because although I am following the direction I had at the start, it's always sort of a surprise to see it actually in person in front of you.